Welcome back to Cox Connections, a program that provides up-to-date information on events that affect you, our customers. At Cox, we've always provided great technical support for our broadband service, and now we have an advanced computer support option available to our customers. With Cox Tech Solutions, customers receive real-time diagnosis and resolutions for computer problems that commonly need technical expertise. Here's a look at how Cox Tech Solutions works.
Cox Communications is proud to offer a service called Cox Tech Solutions, and it's a great service. It gives the customers the opportunity to have their computers checked in their homes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer that option for either a monthly fee or a one-time fee, and it can be offered on multiple computers or a single computer. It just depends on what the customer needs are.
Hi, thank you for calling Cox Tech Solutions. This is Tanisha. How may I help you?
Cox Tech Solution does offer a remote access option, and what happens is the customer calls in and the tech will ask what the problem is.
I have a problem with my computer. I have a huge project due, and it looks like I may have downloaded a virus.
Okay, I could definitely help you out with getting that virus removed. Do you have the 24/7 help desk service?
Once they identify what the problem is, then they'll ask, can they remote into their computer? At that point, the customer actually sees everything that the tech is doing, so they're well aware of what's going on. So they see them either installing updates, uninstalling software, adding home network security, adding a printer to the network. They see everything that's going on, so nothing's done that they're not aware of. So it's a very safe and secure option for the customer. The service improves a customer's online experience by offering those who are tech savvy the option to have us just do the work for you. Now, if you're not so tech savvy, don't be intimidated. That's why we're here. Just give us a call and we'll walk you through the whole process, and everything will be working smoothly when we're done. The biggest advantage of having Cox Tech Solutions is the 24/7 access. I'm working on a project, it's midnight, and all of a sudden it's crashed and you don't know what's wrong. So now you call this 800 number and a tech can help you, and you're back online, you complete your project, and you're ready to go for work the next day. We do hear from our customers on a regular basis, and we listen. So we came up with this option because we want to be that one-stop shop. We're here to help you with your Cox-related issues, and we're also here to help you with other computer-related issues. Here we are, your friend in the digital age. We're your trusted provider. We're here to improve that customer experience every time.
Not a problem. It was my pleasure assisting you. Thank you for calling Cox Tech Solutions, and you have a great day.
Joining me now to tell us more about Cox Tech Solutions are Jeannie Noah and Shanice Collins from the Cox Marketing Department. Thanks for being with us today.
Glad to be
Jeannie,
here.
let me start with you. Why did we launch Cox Tech Solutions?
Well, we listen to our customers a lot, actually, when they call us, when we're in their home installing
It's
things.
always a good thing to do, to listen to our customers.
Exactly.
It's a great thing.
And it's fun. But they tell us that they need things, and they need help with a lot of complicated things that are involved with their computers beyond their Cox services. And one of the things, as you know, is everything's connected to everything these days. And this little puppy, I know you know, that's a router, and that's a device that connects a lot of things together, anything from your cell phone to your printers to several computers, and all of those things can have problems, and they'd like help with them.
And so how does Cox Tech Solutions work? What's the process? How does it work?
Yeah. It's really simple. The customer can call in whenever they're having the problem, especially if they have our 24/7 help desk.
So
they just call us up.
24/7,
Exactly.
365 days a
Yep.
year, anytime.
That's the beauty of it, anytime when they need help.
Because it always seems to happen at midnight or
terrible
1
times.
a.m. or right before that project is done, something goes on the blink.
Exactly. And so instead of being frustrated and throwing things, you can call us, and we can help with that. What it involves really is the customer calls in, they tell the technician what the problem is, and the technician will then remote into their computer. They'll ask for permission, and then they'll view your computer and actually go ahead and do the repair for you. You can watch.
So real time,
Yeah.
no need to wait around for a technician
Absolutely
to
not.
come out to your home, but to fix the problem right there on the spot.
On the
real
spot.
time with the solution immediately.
And 80% of support problems like that are handled over the phone.
Wow.
That's great.
So Shanice, tell me a little bit, what are some of the kinds of problems or issues, computer issues that customers are facing that could be addressed by Cox Tech Solutions?
They vary. They typically the simple ones of installing software, uninstalling software, especially virus protection. Some of it is just PC has crashed, want to install a home network, trying to make it secure network. Also, oftentimes it includes, I have a printer and I want to put it on my network, but I don't know
attaching
how.
different devices to their computer
Yeah.
and something happens. And Windows, Mac, any issues there? Or people have problems dealing with those? Or is that part of this as well?
They will help with the installation of any software or troubleshoot where some things are not responding.
Okay. Jeannie, tell me a little bit about this PC tune-up. What does Cox Tech Solutions do with regard to that?
Well, it's like your car. You want to keep it in good condition. And even though your computer may be working, it may not be working at it optimally. And what PC TuneUp does is it can look at a lot of different things. There's a lot of things that are covered on that. I had to write some of them down. Geez, it'll cover your spyware and your viruses. It will look at, operating system issues. It will help optimize some settings to make your computer faster. Just really get it in top running order.
So even though we have this blazing fast network, there's some things on your PC that may actually impede the speed and the functionality of your PC, and that's what this PC TuneUp will do. And again, this is a part of the Cox Tech Solutions service.
Absolutely, and it will speed up all your activities, internet and otherwise, by getting your computer.
So tell me, we only have about 2 minutes left, but tell me a little bit about the cost. Is this a one-time cost? Is this a monthly cost? What's the...
Either, it's up to you. We have a monthly subscription that is either $14.99 if you have up to 4 computers, or $9.99 if you only have 1 computer that you want to cover, or you can do a per incident, just one event, maybe you've had a particular problem, and that will run anywhere from $59 to $250, depending on the issue and whether we do it on the phone or in your home. And we do have that option to come to your home.
Okay, great. Shanice, now back to this remote access issue. Should customers feel any issues around the security of that when somebody's, entering their computer and able to see what's going on? Are there any issues there, and how can customers feel comfortable with that process?
Not at all. It's very safe. The customer gets to see everything that's going on. So pretty much customer calls in, asks the tech, for help, tells them what the issue is. They ask for permission to remote in. Then the customer can actually sit there and watch the technician remoting on their screen. So they see the installation of the software. They see them either adding the printer, uninstalling software, or anything that they've requested. They actually watch the whole thing take place.
They can see the whole thing take place.
And once the tech is done, then you'll see there's no longer anyone moving around on your screen. They have deactivated.
What's the biggest advantage, I guess, for having Cox Tech Solutions as a Cox customer?
I think it's peace of mind to get an expert to fix something for you correctly and more
quickly
quickly
right
than
there.
you can do right on the spot.
Yeah. Well, listen, thank you both for being with us on the show today, Jeannie and Shanice, for all the great work you're doing here with Cox. And thank you for joining me on this episode of Cox Connections. Before you go, I want to personally thank you for choosing Cox Communications for your entertainment, information, and communication needs. We know you could have chosen another provider, but because you chose us, we pledge to be a friend that you can trust. We promise to provide you with quality products backed up by a talented local team of professionals that will help you stretch your dollar. And from all of your friends and neighbors here at Cox, we thank you again for choosing us and for joining us on this edition of Cox Connections.